Hi everybody and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm gonna show you another one of my favorite Photoshop hacks. I took this photo right here on a really small kind of sort of beach. It's just like a sand area, it's not really a beach. So for me this photo doesn't really feel beachy and I want to change that, so we're gonna add some shadows to it. I will be using this photo from Pinterest right here and I'm gonna turn the opacity down a little so I can see what's going on in the background. And we're actually gonna flip this because I want the products here to be visible, and here's kind of a bigger white space and we're gonna use that for the products. And now we're just gonna place it exactly how we want it in the photo. This is also a really like close-up shot. I think this could be good. So then we're gonna turn the opacity back up and set this here to multiply. And with the eraser tool, we're just gonna erase the top here a little bit so that there's no harsh edge, like so. And then I think I'm gonna turn the opacity down to 65. And that's basically it. So this is the before. It already looks like it was taken on the beach because obviously there's sand there, but this kind of gives it a more beachy vibe, and you can just drag this around however you want and use any shadow of anything. You can also do like a cool glass pattern or other plants or anything you can think of that could make a cool shadow and could add to your photo. Yeah, and that's already it. That was everything about this Photoshop hack. It's just adding a little bit more interest to your photo and it's done in just a few clicks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my future uploads. Bye!